We are here to celebrate 1 million meals. The Spokane Public Schools is running a child nutrition program. We have child nutrition professionals that make these nutritious meals that help educate our kids and keep them learning no matter what. And we are going to celebrate with a family that we have, again, served 1 million meals since the beginning of September.
So our student today was Kane English. He is an Arlington student, 3rd grade, and he is a fantastic student working so hard with the technology. And I'm so proud that he earned this, that he came at the right time for the 1,000,000th meal.
This is the 1,000,000th meal that we've given out to kids. Isn't that cool? And you are super, super special because you get to have the 1,000,000th meal.
Absolutely stunned and surprised. I've never seen Kane so speechless. And I'm grateful for his mom too, who's really working hard. And to all our parents out there, just thank you for all your support. I love having good celebrations as we're going through this time together.
And a shout out to Second Harvest. They're a partner who's been helping us in our community feed the hungry, and we have some extra strawberries and blackberries and food items for our family that's receiving our 1 millionth meal. So great day to celebrate. No matter what the rain is, we're celebrating because we have good things for kids, and we're going to keep learning, and we're nourishing kids for our future.
I want to thank our nutrition services staff, all of them through the district, particularly here at Arlington, Amra, Jean, and Jamie, who are working so hard. Hundreds and hundreds of meals every week, and 1 million so far this year. Well done, Nutrition Services, Spokane Public Schools.